Hey guys, welcome to CTE Tuning. In today's video, I've been waiting so long to make this video, so long, and the day has finally come. It's finally here. I'm going to be taking delivery of my new car. So, but first, before I continue, the first thing I want to say is all this wouldn't be possible without God. And I want to give all the praise and all the glory to God. I really mean that, because without Him, this all would have been impossible. There was a time where I didn't even have a car in my life, and I've always wanted this certain car so bad, and I never was able to get one. And it wasn't that expensive of a car. It was only like 40 grand at the time, and I just wasn't able to do it. But God works in mysterious ways. But it's not really that. It's just that I put all my faith in God with all my plans. I handed Him all my dreams, all my goals. And when you got God on your side, you know, when God's with you, who could be against you? So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. But no matter what you do in life, always give all the praise and glory to God. And I thank God and I thank Jesus. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the road. Okay, we just got here at Audi of Calabasas. That's where the car is located at. We're pulling up now. They're doing a lot of construction work, so that's why it looks like this in a little parking lot. Let's see, where is it? There it is, right there. Oh wow! There it is, that bad boy right there. On the card yesterday, so I need to just put one more 1,000 on my card.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, so that's all.
Does this all the time to me.
Does it?
And I'm just sitting there over and over and over.
Okay, just took delivery of my brand new Shelby GT500. Brand new to me, has 1,800 miles. No big deal. Got the carbon, got the little surround system. So let's do this. Okay guys, so fast forward basically a couple days later, the car has been ceramic coated and has been 2-stage paint corrected, and everything is flawless now, ready to go. So now is time for the car reveal. I can't believe I have this car. I thank God for this car. I thank God for everything that I have, from even being able to make this video. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys the car now, but let me know what you guys think. So here we go.